Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very quick video which is very useful for IPCC and CA Inter students who are going to appear for exams in November 2020. So this time, that is November 2020 examinations are going to be conducted in two cycles. First cycle will be conducted in November itself and the second cycle will be conducted in the first half of February 2021. So this video is exactly meant for such kind of students. So came to know that several students are planning to write Group 1 examinations in first cycle of November attempt and planning to write Group 2 of examinations in second cycle of examinations. So between these two examinations, students will clear-cut get a gap of at least 2 months. So here is an advice to the students what needs to be done during these 2 months of time. First thing, if you are already doing CA course along with CMA course, then try to write your CMA inter examinations in December 2020 itself. Since you are appearing for only one group in cycle 1, so you appear for CMA inter examinations of December 2020. For that purpose, you can avail the benefit of CMA inter crash batch which was already provided by us in Masterminds online classes app. Go to Masterminds online classes app, purchase the course CMA inter crash batch and start watching the videos. In just 100 hours, we have covered all the chapters in a HD quality videos that are not covered in CA Inter. So whatever the areas which are there in CMA Inter but not in CA Inter, all such areas we have taught in just a matter of 100 hours. So by taking that coaching of 100 hours, we can comfortably appear for CMA Inter exams which are scheduled to be conducted in December 2020. Now what needs to be done in these 2 months of time? One is CMA Inter crash batch. Another thing is, why can't you attend the revision exams and study hours to be conducted by Masterminds? And they will be called as IPCC or CA Inter pre-results revision exams and study hours batches, which are mainly targeted for students who are going to appear for second cycle of November exams, that is scheduled to be conducted in February 2021. So in this batch, we will provide two different services. One is study hours, another one is revision exams. We will conduct physical study hours in Guntur and all our branches. Of course, some students may not be interested to attend the study hours physically. For the benefit of those students, we will even offer revision exams alone. That is, without joining for study hours, you can join for revision exams alone. And that service will be called as MMTS, Masterminds Test Series. The old name for Masterminds Test Series is Postal Mode. In simple words, revision exams and study hours minus study hours is nothing but Masterminds Test Series. There will be separate schedules for Group 1 and Group 2 under old syllabus as well as new syllabus. So totally there will be 4 different schedules. Student can join for any group of his choice. Of course, both group schedule will also be there. But both group schedule is aimed for May 2021 attempt but not for February 2021 attempt. So weekly twice exams will be conducted, one exam on Sunday, another exam on Wednesday. So each examination will be divided into two divisions. First division is descriptive exam, second division is MCQ exam. That means in each revision exam, you are going to write one exclusive exam on MCQs also. And we will even conduct one set of pre-final exams. We'll provide question papers, we'll prepare question papers after 3 levels of verification. Question papers will be at par with that of public exams. So if you perform well in our revision exams, there are very good chances of qualifying in your public exams also. We'll provide you suggested answers immediately after completion of exam, so that immediately after completion of each exam, you can immediately assess your performance. Unlike others, we will even evaluate your exam papers. So after completion of evaluation process, we will provide you a detailed valuation report, and we will even award marks to you. This batch will commence on November 30, 2020 in Guntur as well as all our branches. And under this service, the first revision exam will be conducted on 13th December and the last revision exam will be conducted on 7th February. If needed, you can even attend coaching for some selective subjects in crash batches. that is pre-results crash batches, by paying an additional amount. So every year thousands of students are availing this service, which is best in the field. So I recommend all the students to avail this service. For further details, you need to contact the number 9881250250 or 26. I recommend each and every student who are going to appear for February 2021 attempt, I recommend each and every such student to appear for these revision exams without fail. As everybody knows, without a pressure on us, we don't prepare well. So these revision exams will bring such required pressure on you. Revision exam schedule, a detailed schedule will be provided to you, which will guide you on how to prepare, when to prepare, and by what time to prepare. So when you join for revision exams, it's not like exams alone. It is like bringing proper structure in your preparation. So every week you will have two targets to meet. One target on Wednesday, another target on Sunday. And everybody knows that without proper target, we don't work properly. So my dear students, so join for these revision exams and study hours batches and bring proper structure in your preparation and perform well in your February 2021 attempt. All the best.